Plant FAQs. Begonia speculata. Begonia speculata. Unveiling the beauty of the spotted begonia. Hi, I'm Ferb, and I'm here to answer your burning questions about the Begonia speculata, also known as the spotted begonia. This stunning plant has captivated indoor plant enthusiasts with its unique, textured leaves and dazzling speckled pattern. Whether you're a seasoned plant collector or a curious newcomer, this FAQ will equip you with the knowledge to cultivate a thriving Begonia speculata in your home. See more 2,104 species in genus Begonia at monsteraholic.com. What makes the Begonia speculata special? The Begonia speculata boasts a captivating foliage unlike any other. Its leaves are a mesmerizing shade of olive green, adorned with a smattering of silvery gray speckles that dance across the surface. These speckles, technically called maculations, create a captivating, textured effect that adds depth and intrigue to any indoor space. Beyond its visual appeal, the Begonia speculata is a relatively low-maintenance plant. It thrives in moderate light conditions and enjoys consistently moist, but not soggy soil. This makes it a forgiving choice for plant parents who might forget a watering or two. Begonia speculata versus Begonia rex. Understanding the differences. The Begonia speculata is often compared to its close cousin, the Begonia rex. Both belong to the Begonia family and share a reputation for stunning foliage. However, there are some key distinctions to consider. Leaf shape. The Begonia rex typically has larger, more ruffled leaves with a wider variety of color combinations. The Begonia speculata has smaller, flatter leaves with a more consistent olive green base. Growth habit. The Begonia rex has a more upright growth pattern, while the Begonia speculata tends to sprawl outwards. Light requirements. The Begonia rex generally prefers brighter, indirect light compared to the Begonia speculata, which thrives in medium light. Ultimately, the choice between these two begonias depends on your personal preference and the lighting conditions in your home. How to care for Begonia speculata. Here's a quick guide to ensure your Begonia speculata flourishes. Light. Aim for bright, indirect light. Avoid harsh, direct sunlight, which can scorch the leaves. Soil. Use a well-draining, slightly acidic potting mix. A mixture of peat moss, perlite, and orchid bark can work well. Watering. Water regularly to maintain consistent moisture in the soil. Allow the top inch of soil to dry slightly before watering again. Avoid overwatering, which can lead to root rot. Humidity. The Begonia speculata prefers moderate to high humidity. Grouping your plants together or using a humidifier can help create a more humid environment. Fertilizer. Apply a balanced liquid fertilizer during the spring and summer months according to the package instructions. Temperature. Maintain a comfortable room temperature between 65 degrees Fahrenheit and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 degrees Celsius and 24 degrees Celsius. Common problems and solutions for Begonia speculata. While the Begonia speculata is a relatively easy plant to care for, here are some common issues you might encounter and how to address them. Brown, crispy leaves. This can be caused by underwatering or low humidity. Increase watering frequency and consider using a humidifier. Yellowing leaves, overwatering, or lack of light are potential culprits. Adjust your watering schedule and ensure your plant receives sufficient indirect light. Pest infestations, mealybugs and spider mites can be occasional problems. Neem oil spray or insecticidal soap can be used for control. Conclusion. Embrace the beauty of the Begonia speculata. The Begonia speculata is a captivating houseplant that adds a touch of elegance and intrigue to any indoor space. With its unique speckled foliage and relatively low-maintenance nature, it's a perfect choice for plant enthusiasts of all levels. By following the information provided in this FAQ, you can cultivate a thriving Begonia speculata that will bring you joy for years to come.